Hello again. We're on the Euro USD now using iTeam Genesis Elite. We're in the highest probability reversal zone with volumes picking up at exactly that point. iTeam Genesis Elite has predicted the direction advance with a 97.14% probability of reversal. So we're definitely going short here. Low $2,500 investment by the option. And let's wait for it to enter. Yes, we are in. So, we're now going to go back to the chart. There's that escalation downwards that started again, and we're bracingly in the money now very, very shortly. So we're going to pause now and come back to you a minute or so before expiry to save you some time. Okay, we're back here on the Euro USD with 1 minute and 40 something seconds remaining to expiry. We're comfortably in the money with the exception of a small retracement back up to the high probability reversal zone. That serves as a very strong point of resistance for price. So if you're within a trade and price does tend to retrace, that's okay because the price moves. It's a short time frame. You're going for a 5-minute trade, and it's not a 5-month trade. So the retracements are expected, fluctuations are expected. But if you wait patiently and try not to look at your chart through the duration of the trade, try to stick with your analysis, or in this case, iTeam Genesis Elite's analysis, which is basically short. So we had a 97.14% probability at the time, which has now gone down to 81 point something since we're already in the trade. We've got a minute left in this trade, with price hovering comfortably under the resistance zone or the high probability reversal zone shown to us by iTeam Genesis Elite. Having spotted the price inside that zone, we immediately took a short trade since we were given a very high probability of reversal at that point. And as you can see, the Euro USD has trailed under that point of resistance very comfortably for the last few minutes now, and volumes are decreasing towards any long movements. Any fluctuations that do go towards the resistance again are swiftly rejected purely because of the power of that resistance zone. And that resistance zone wouldn't have really appeared to us had iTeam Genesis Elite not pointed it out. Most traders, when they see a long spike like this, tend to go in the direction of that spike, which is the last thing you want to do, because fluctuations are very, very common at high probability reversal zones because market makers, specialists are basically building up a position to go short. And if we're in a situation like this where price is quite close to the resistance zone or the entry level at this point, that's okay. As long as you time your trade perfectly using iTeam Genesis Elite, as we just did, we're perfectly happy to see those fluctuations. So we've expired in the money now with 4,250 gross return on with a net profit of 1,750 on an investment of $2,500. Thank you.